Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate. This is Neil's Arts and Crafts. So I'm gonna demonstrate how to use glue, hot glue gun to make some of these. Here is, yeah, and it's basically a snake eating another snake. Heads to tail. So you can buy these. Heads to tail. So you can buy these at the dollar store. The sparkles embedded, so it's kind of cool. Yeah, and so you want to heat up the gun as much as you can. This is a hot glue gun, so secondary is better, but you still have to be careful. I'm going to use this. It's a silicone glove, bought at also Dollar Tree. And buy a new glue gun. You know, cheap one. Not really like. Don't use your mom's. I learned that one. And you know, this hot glue gun, it can be very messy. So just takes a couple minutes. This is great for our project with the kids. Just you can probably use 2 of these glue guns. Yeah, so just press it down, let it get into all the crevices. Oh, okay, here's gonna be the big reveal. So hopefully came out good. So yeah, picked up all the little crevices. Still have a technique to master. This one with some glazing of acrylic. She stays on there pretty good. Actually looks a little bit better. And the heads are good. One head, there's another one of the snake. And I got this 3D printed. I didn't make it 3D myself, but I got it 3D printed and kind of just pushed it in there. Made a negative, and then this is what I made too. I put acrylic paint. Yeah, this one had a little bit of red, which makes it look cool. That's it. Neil's Arts and Crafts.